Yo, it's your boy DetroitPaySo back with another banger. As you can see, Kid Goku is still struggling to put his sons on punishment, and they're out here torturing Pan. And then Goku blocks the ball, the fireball. Yeah, Goku, let's go. You gotta protect your granddaughter against your sons. Don't that sound crazy, y'all? Goku out there fighting for his life almost against two little badass kids. Then they get blasted out there. Bite. And then they go flying to the ground. Boom! Them boys and little girls crashing to Earth. But it's not over. The next, more action to come. Oh, look at Kid Goku taking care of his granddaughter. Get up and fight, y'all.